Hey guys, let's see how to enable privacy mode on Tapo cameras. Here I have the Tapo C615F, but it works with any Tapo camera, all right? See here that I have the camera already working and I have the image here on an Android phone, and I can also have access from my iPhone. Either way it works, right? I can just come directly here to the main screen and click here on privacy mode, and you see that changes. Okay, so that's the simple way to go. You just come here to your camera. See that I have the Tapo just right here. Then I can just open it up, and from here I have access to the privacy mode. Or I can do here coming to the menu. So see that I have the main menu, and here I also find the privacy mode just right here. See that's off. And from here, the advantage that I have is that I can allow floodlight stay on, right? So from here, just toggle this one and you're good to go. But if you want to have more control, let's say, for example, you want to have privacy mode during certain period of time, you can just come here and create an action. So here, see that I have on my iPhone, the same app, it works either way. And I come here to this gear and look for the smart actions. There we go. And here I can create a new smart action. Let's say, for example, automation. And here on when is the trigger. Okay. So I can use any device to trigger the action here, or I can also use time. So I come here at the trigger. You see devices status change or time of the day. I'm gonna use time of the day here. So right now it's 9:56 a.m. So let me just come here and put this to 9:68 a.m. Okay. And when this time arrives, then the action will be control one device. The device is here at my office, and that'll be the Tapo C615F. That's my camera. Enable privacy mode. Okay, pretty good. And then I create this. I just put here enable privacy mode, EPM. Okay. And then if I want to disable this later, what I can do is create another one. I come here again, one more time, automation, add a trigger, time of the day, and then 9:59 a.m. right? Then I hit done, and here add a trigger, control device. Here at my office, I have the camera and disable privacy mode, and it's done, right? Great. Then I put here disable privacy mode. There we go, save. There we go, I have both of them here. And now you just need to wait. Remember 9:58 is going to activate the privacy mode, and then 9:59 is going to disable the privacy mode. So super simple. While we are waiting here just to test it out, I can tell you that you can use any device here for the smart action. Let's say, for example, if you have a smart plug like this, you can enable and disable devices on your home by just creating smart actions. So there we go. You see privacy mode. It's enabled right now, and we're gonna be like for 1 minute because later the other one here is going to disable the privacy mode based on time. So you can do this also with any other device. Let me just bring something here. See here that I have this motion sensor as well. This motion sensor can work with smart actions. Let's say, for example, you want to get at your home, and then the sensor detects your presence, and then it enable the privacy mode or disable, whatever you want to do, right? So super simple. Just need to pick every Tapo device and start using like this with the smart actions. Super simple to work like this. And remember that you need to have also the Tapo Smart Hub. That's the one that you need to use to connect the devices on your network, right? There we go. See here that disabled the privacy mode now because I have this smart action just right here, right? So super simple. Basically, that's the way you can work with smart actions here on your Tapo. and you can also work with the privacy mode. I hope that helps. Leave your comments, subscribe, and I see you in the next one.